Why do marketers and content creators struggle to produce professional videos quickly? For many, it's not just about the need for more content. It's the stress of juggling multiple tools, learning technical skills, and spending money on editors and designers. This leads to inconsistent uploads, missed opportunities for ad testing, and ultimately lower engagement and revenue. The real issue? It's not what you think. Traditional video creation is slow and costly. It's the outdated methods that hold them back. Many have tried hiring freelancers or using complex software, but those solutions often fail. They don't address the real problem. The better way? It's Vidoyo. With Vidoyo, users can turn simple text prompts into stunning videos in seconds. No technical skills needed. Marketers like Sarah increased her video output by 300% in just 1 month. She went from struggling to keep up to consistently engaging her audience. Imagine creating videos that captivate, boost engagement, and drive sales. With Vidoyo, it's not just possible, it's easy. Click below to discover how we help marketers achieve consistent, high-quality video content with Vidoyo's AI Video Studio.